Hey, what's up everybody? It is me, Geek Roots, back with another video. Today I'm joined by my cousin Nick, and he's opening up this Funko Gamestop Mystery Box. So, yeah.
Alright. Ooh. So right off the bat, we got a Vegeta Funko, GameStop exclusive.
And that's the one of the ones you were wanting, right?
Yeah. And we also have an Enchantress Suicide Squad. I don't know what brand it is.
It's a Funko Rock Candy.
Yeah. And we got two Five Nights at Freddy's mystery pack things. Let's see what we get in this.
Do you play Five Nights at Freddy's?
Not really, not myself, but I guess the guys look pretty cool themselves. So we got this silver, I'm not sure what that is, like a bear. And then for the second one, oh, this is pretty cool actually. We got this crying white blob thing.
It's pretty basic.
Yeah, actually though. But yeah, that's it for the GameStop mystery box. But overall, I think it's actually pretty worth it because right now they're having a sale. So get yourself one while you can.
And then let's just get a close up of this Vegeta, and it's metallic, right?
Actually, I don't think it's metallic, but it definitely has a different color scheme.
And then this GameStop exclusive Enchantress, which I'm pretty sure you can only get this in the box. So. Yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you like these unboxings and other type of videos. And subscribe to the channel for more. And I'll see you guys all again next time. Bye.